I'm looking in the mirror. I'm looking at my phone. I'm looking towards the ceiling. Look in, look at, look towards. All of these are examples of prepositions. But how do prepositions actually work in English? That is the question that I'm going to answer for you in this video. So I will explain what prepositions actually are, how to use them in sentences, and if you stick around for the final point of the video, I will also tell you how prepositions and gerunds go together. So wait until the end for that one. The first thing you need to know is that prepositions show relationships between two things. For example, this can be a relationship of place. I live in Montreal. Your phone is on the table. They can also show a relationship of time. These are the two most common things people think of when they think of prepositions. I went home at midnight. We talked after the game. Yes, after can be a preposition. Many English learners and teachers think only of at, on, in. Those are the big three that people think of with prepositions, but there are many more words that can be prepositions, and after is one of them. Prepositions can also show the relationship between a verb and a direction. So she's driving to work. The relationship between, oh, she's driving. Where is she driving? To work. Okay. I fell down. Down where? Down the stairs, right? So prepositions tell us like where something happened to something. So I fell down the stairs. The relationship is between fell and the stairs. Now, we also have many other types of relationships that are difficult to place in three categories of time, place, and direction or movement. So these are sentences like, she lives with. Oh, who does she live with? This talks about a relationship with people. She lives with her parents, right? He's the head of the department. So the head, he means he is the boss. He is the head of the department. And here are some other examples of prepositions for you. So as I mentioned, at, on, in are the big three most people think of, but we have with, by, before, for, towards, between. To practice these, I want you to leave a sentence in the comments, or more than one sentence in the comments, using some of these if you want to practice. Okay, so the first thing we know, prepositions show relationships. Those can be place relationships, time relationships, movement relationships, or other types of relationships. All of these example sentences have something else in common. What is it? They all have objects. Yes, prepositions need an object. For example, Danny is waiting in the car. I'm so happy for you. I found it under the couch. We're waiting for them. The movie starts in 5 minutes and they are moving to Portugal. Pay attention to this one. Because prepositions need objects, we need to use an object pronoun, not a subject pronoun after a preposition. So this sentence is not, we are waiting for they, it's we are waiting for them. And when you think of the word object, it's not exactly the same as a direct object that can come after a verb. For example, I want candy. Okay, candy is a direct object. It is what I want, right? There's a hard connection. Here, you can have a relationship of, okay, in 5 minutes. Okay, well, 5 minutes isn't really like a direct object of in, but they are related. It is an object, but it's not in the same way as you would with a verb and a direct object. So you can't think about it in the same way as the object of a verb. It's the object of a preposition, which shows a relationship of some kind, whether it's time, movement, place, or something else. All right, so we know prepositions show relationships. We know that prepositions need objects. And, just one more thing. I told you there was something about gerunds that I wanted to say. Gerunds can be objects. What is a gerund? It's a verb plus ing, and it functions as a noun. Nouns can be objects. They are things. So, for example, I'm interested in learning English, not in learn or in to learn, in learning, right? We have the preposition in, relationship, object, learning English. He left without saying goodbye. Without is the preposition. Saying is a gerund, not without say, without saying, for example. I'm tired of arguing. So here, again, arguing, fighting with our words. This is a thing. It's an object. What are you tired of? I'm tired of arguing, for example. All right. Are you scared of flying, right? Are you scared of flying? Not of to fly or of fly. No, of flying. Use the gerund. I will not stop saying that anymore. I will just give you the examples now. She's worried about failing her driving exam, maybe. Thanks for calling me. Thanks for clicking on this video, by the way. And finally, I'm looking forward to seeing you. So I'm excited to see you in the future, right? So I'm looking forward to seeing you. So this is a very important point about prepositions that some students, especially at the beginner and intermediate level, have a difficult time with. And that's okay. Now you know that the rule is, hey, if I want to use an action, an activity after a preposition, that activity can't be a verb. It must be a gerund, a verb plus ing, which acts as a noun. Pop quiz! What? Sorry, I was a little hungry. So a pop quiz, it's a surprise test, a surprise quiz. Can you finish the sentences with the correct preposition? The first sentence is, he lives, Santos, a city in Brazil. Hello, Brazil. And everywhere else in the world, but right now, Brazil. He lives, yes, in. You live in a place. I usually go to bed, 10. Precise time. Give me the precise time. Don't be smart and say before 10, after 10, around 10. Give me the precise time. Precise times, at. But yes, you can say before 10, at 10, after 10, around 10 too. Okay, this one. I'm interested, comic books. Interested in. That is a terrible I. Oh, that is truly awful. I'm sorry. Next, we have, are you scared? Spiders. Of? Yeah, that's right. Scared of. You got it. And why are you looking, me? When you direct your attention, your visual attention, someone, you use your visual attention towards someone. Why are you looking at me? So don't look at me. You can look at, smile at someone as well. Okay, that was good. So now you know how prepositions work in English. And if you want to test your understanding of prepositions and you want to know what are the common mistakes that people make with prepositions, I have another video called The Top 10 Preposition Mistakes that English learners make. That's a long title. That is not the actual title, but you know what I mean. So if you want to test your understanding of prepositions and avoid some of the most common mistakes that English learners make, check out the link that is attached to this video. And until next time, I hope you will keep learning and keep practicing. It's sweet. Do you remember the video when I ate a lemon? The true hardcore viewers of this channel remember when I ate a lemon. Okay.